Be right back. Need to fill up the tea. Then we will start on. Hey, I'm back. Finally properly live. Okay, let's check it. History. Remember and found me. Last was database. I think we finished it. Hmm. We did a lot of things. Okay. Hmm. Technically, yeah, with database finished, we can move on chained. Technically, not chain. Our core logic lives in web mainly. That will be the longest one. Oh, nobody said it's gonna be easy, but bear with me. We'll deal with it. Also, rules for the chat has been changed. Moderation rules adjusted because we have some smart people who think the rules can be broken, so it will be now forcefully enforced. Public bans, and everyone will be seen. If you're an asshole, we will publicly announce it to the wall of the shame. I think that will be fair enough. I don't think we should tolerate nonsense. Believe me, you won't hurt my feelings. I don't give a shit on them. But if we want to be adults, then we must talk like adults. If we can't, then you're just not welcome here. That's all. Nothing personal. Let's be reasonable. So, yeah, small adjustments here and there. Nothing special. Okay, let's rename legacy naming for variables that are here. Class was already imported this scene. Let's reformat the damn thing. Import all missing imports. Have a proper, more or less working version of it. And let's see, is there anything missing? Missing, sorry for misspelling. It's not nice, I guess. It's confusing. Okay, what's next? Similar things, reflections. Yeah. Also, requirement for the chat have been upped. Now we will require everyone to have verified profiles and have phone numbers. It seems otherwise we have a zoo here. I don't like that. Okay, we copy it last. Let's drop it in. I think reasonable respect should be between both parties. How can we expect respect if there is none given in both sides? I forgot to format. Let's adjust the last one a bit. My ban. Children. Good ban. Sad day. Didn't tour in Europe. But I would like to go there. There. 170. We'll see. Maybe in future I'm lucky. Yeah, let's check what we're missing. Of course. One missing. Okay. Screw this dog block. We don't give a shit. Okay, we have again line. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's reformat it and then replace it. Okay, so it was able to replace it and manually. Okay, that's good. Namespace and shit. So yeah, okay. Intro productive day was off. Also, we have some shorts and announcements in other places. Content has been getting slowly sorted everywhere. But these things take time, I would say. That would be on honest answer, I guess. Honest answer, yes. That would be fair enough. Okay. That's more better. Formatting adjusted. Hmm. So, how you been doing? See that there's silent watchers who doesn't talk to me. Doesn't hold grudges, I guess. Everyone has their own preferences. There are those who talk, those who just observe. Anyway, feel free to write in chat. I will watch it with one eye on the right screen. Last time I had on left screen, it was harder to observe, but now things will be different. We'll take things more serious. Was my bad on my part, but I don't find that that's a reason for people to talk unreasonable things. That's all I will say. Okay, beauty. Reformatted everything is done here. I think that was Alt. Oh shit, I don't remember it anymore. Yeah, Control Alt on. So it is. Okay. Let's adjust the music a bit in background. It will be a little bit better. We'll consider buying a cam. Actually, I have DSLR cam. I just need a mount. It's professional type. It has a decent enough lens. So we'll get there. Later in the time we will have a proper one. So you will need to bear with me. I'm hidden in the shadow. Don't worry, I don't bite yet. Hopefully. Oh. Okay. Another class, another good work. Mm. Mm. Yeah, let's import all missing parts and adjust legacy namings. Let's just fix it up. Doesn't really like. I really need formatted. Doesn't like Snack. Each storm has got a little nifty, but fine. Looks a lot better, I would say. Hmm. Interface. Of course, it is interface. They almost did all the right things in some capacity. I would not say they did very bad. There are just some odd concepts that was used due to time or the architecture. Who knows? Hard to judge. Anyway, hmm. I will copy them. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. And like this. Pasted them all in. Hold on. It's gonna be busy evening. Wife is out the house. Children are busy. I have time. Beautiful wife is busy. So it means party time for me. Not at midnight, like usually. In some capacity. Not quite party. Just my time. I wonder. Okay, let's add namespace everywhere and shit. And go from there on. My destiny is not heaven or hell. Yeah, I know some words. Good bad. Okay, let's reformat the damn thing. Okay, let's fix it up. Okay, then we're going in full throttle. What the fuck you leave such comments? I don't understand, people. Gates? Yeah, something like in Gates, like in Laravel. Why not just do it like this? The format's more readable. Good. Fine. They got me. I gotta admit it. Still looks like shit. I don't goddamn like it. And cycle. But why? They would do something like this. I just can't take it. Screw it, I will fix it. Like this. Okay, so we can. Mm-hmm. Okay, it makes sense. Why not do something like this instead? Oh, it's at least readable. I get it. But anyway, it's better. Yes, better. I'm just nitpicking, sorry. Those are my personal quirks. Attention to details. And issues of the spectrum, I guess. Fucking assholes, they have multiple classes in one thing. Fine, they got me. All right. No hard feelings, I guess. Mm-hmm. Okay, like this. Okay. Some old formatting, like usually. Hmm. Interesting. I think it's not bad, but they could just do it better like that. Okay. Fairly decent. Hmm. Yeah, it really doesn't like it. Really. Okay, we'll not bother about that for now. Those are not relevant things for now. Sometimes it gets me. Mm-hmm. Why just not move it in function, huh? Why not just move it in method or something? I don't know. Anyway, oh, verbs matched. So it's something like middleware. Definitely something like middle before middlewares were actual thing before them. Huh. Well, yes, nice a thing. That's a nice thing. Is it bad or good? I don't know. What? We can learn from that. Yeah. Okay. So I don't know. Okay, let's run through them. Alt assignment. I did it. The alt item, not done. Okay, let's fix things up. Technically, you can be lazy. You can do something like this. Technically, this should work. Nice. But the minus is this. Despite it actually changed, but references are not adjusted then. This way, at least, in our name, its renames all related places. At least it's not broken, I guess. Yeah, so that's that. Yeah, we will need to rewrite all tests for the framework. Been thinking maybe we can test out best. I've been curious, to be honest. I bet it would benefit it. What do you think? Should we write tests in pest or PHP unit? Something else? Hmm? Hmm. Okay. It's very promising so far. Thank you. Alright. This is decent. Let's go further. One step at a time. Hmm, that blocks. Highlighted. Okay, let's fix them up. Mm-hmm. Mm, parse error. HP core? Yeah, core. I will. Actually, there's so many features in Yii-1. It's actually rather surprising, I would say. Despite incorporate, I use Yii-1, slightly outdated version, for one project, another refresher. But still, it's interesting. Despite I use the framework, actually I never knew the internals of it that much. Now I see them, it's kind of different colors. I see things. I would say it's rather capable framework, despite its age. Yeah. Interesting. Reassignments, assignments, and checks. Hmm. Hmm. Interesting. No sleeping rats. Some you. Good Scottish band. Hmm. Hmm. Okay. Okay. Small adjustments here and there, and it's already better. Hmm. Tedious, slow, annoying, and hard work. But only hard work gets us somewhere in life. That's what I would say. Hmm. Okay. Looks better. Yeah, it's not small. Hmm. Okay. This is better. Gradually. Yeah, this is readable. Fuck. Why the fuck did I did this? I understand the readings for the formatting, but hmm. Abstract? No. Where implementation? I see. Hmm. Interesting. So they intend to extend that method with any changes you need. Mm-hmm. Okay. Well, more or less, I think we're done. That's about the thing. Yeah. Let's format it one more time. Let's move on here. Let's suggest legacy naming, like usually we do. Yeah, I'm sure other streamers are more exciting, but you get exactly what you're here for. No fake, no bullshit. What's that? Okay, for some good coding, then it is here. I'm not here for the hype. Hype is a waste of time. Mm, okay. God damn it, why it's such a mess? They really don't spare us. Alright. Formatting like usually is a mess all over the place. mm. Okay. Hmm. Not the first time, neither the last, but we need to deal with it. Yeah. I need some tea. Hmm. Found authorization data from PHP file. Interesting. It's not used, but interesting. I think it can be deprecated, maybe. Okay. You need to leave a comment because, in theory, this is PHP Auto Manager. So it means that was maybe saved in cache or something when we load it from file. Fake authorization or whatever. Maybe. Sounds like it. Actually, that's a neat feature. I'm gonna give you that. Smart one, by the way. Mm-hmm. They're right, it was export. War export? Why? Why not serialize? I don't get it, but okay. Okay. I missed something. Okay. Oh, here's still one missed. Why? Not more. Mm-hmm. They could just move it on top like this. Since it doesn't matter, does it set or doesn't set, it always returns an array. So fundamentally speaking, any of them would work, and that would be more fine. Hmm. Okay. Not bad. Not great. For now. 305. 305. Some nasty sneeze. Shit. Kind of painful. Alright. We'll survive. Yeah. Let's format the damn thing and let's fix everything that is wrong here. Let's take our time. Hmm. Mm, yeah, that's better. Get class. I see. Reference. They have reference in this way. Embraces. The kind similar to Laravel. Laravel's built on Symfony. Yii is built on Zend. From Zend is based Symfony. Fundamentally, they're all connected eventually, more or less. Actually, that would be an interesting video to make. History of frameworks. How much they are related and reliant on each other between the years. Maybe we can explore that at some time period. Logic set. Ooh. Hmm. Hmm. The collect session. Open it. Interesting. Was in Scotland once. Interesting country. Very windy. Reminds similar country. Not country, but city in our country. Almere, I would say. Yeah, it's extremely windy. Similar, I would say, on that question. Of course, we can compare the size. Those are two entirely different things. But comparing behemoth to the mouse, that's an insane comparison. Woo! Hi, thanks for following. Got me slightly jumps here. Sorrow, yeah. Thanks for following. Ripple. One mistake and shit will go down later. But we will have magical boss. Had today. Not today. Yesterday? I think yesterday. I was working blockers. I made stupid mistake in class on top of the class. Example. Here. Yeah. That's zero. Shit. I'm glad that I noticed it fast, but the error was persistent for a while. Project owners and your work, it's not that nice. Shit happens, I guess. Hey, good intentions. I'm just cleaning up after others. What people expect. Well, developer life is not great. We need to deal with many things. And then from not so great management, not so great colleagues. But just that part is still a development word. Not development word, but soft skills. Soft skills, yeah, mainly soft skills. Yeah, it's complicated, I guess. I had I added hi, son. By 10 minute chatting on Twitch, I added delay to avoid spammers because previously we had issue that people come in and spam. Would you like to risk for some certain X amount to do XYZ to get number of viewers to X? You get it, what I mean. That's the reason. That's why how we at least stop them. Otherwise, they just come in, they use some scripts to post a message, and they run away. They also they can't spam and make mess here. Hard to deal. Let's just say that. I don't like that. Also had similar issue on second channel that I run with gaming and stuff on Eternal Constellation. It was prevalent issue, so these rules are applied because of it. No other reasons. Don't take it personal. So that's the reason, Xar. I hope that answers your question. Hi everyone else. I see. We're gathering slowly. I see someone is on YouTube and we have 2 viewers on Twitch. So yeah, everyone who's new, we're migrating Yii-1 framework to PSR-4 and also preparing for PSR-12 and gradually migrating things. It's not ideal. For now, our main target is to migrate and make this thing at least on ground zero. After that, we will do many things. We will add PHP stand. We will migrate tests maybe, if we can, maybe to the pest. Yeah, pest, maybe pest or PHP unit. I don't know. I don't think PHP unit is not bad. Maybe pest. I haven't used it. No, no, it's been hyping the damn thing. I'm itching to try it, to be honest. I'm not gonna lie. I want to play around with it. I believe we can figure it out. So that's that. Then another thing, we can use Rector on top of it to migrate everything else. That is to add strict types in framework if possible. I believe it is possible. It will take certain amount of effort, but we can deal. For now, the main parts. Okay, let's create small recap. What we have done so far. For now, we have migrated base, we isolated exceptions, caching has been done, collections was done, console was done, database was done, isolated interfaces since they were used globally, isolated them separately because they initially was in one file, a complete mess. Logging was done. Translations, I think we did not do. Logging, to be honest, no, we're not done yet with them. But we will deal with them. The main problem is we jump to the web. Main is in a base. Caching is used collection. console parts. Database is used. Of course, interfaces, logging, we will deal with it. Translations, but main parts inside the web goes. The main parts of framework lives here more or less, but it's between parts. Yeah, it's interesting. And also we have prevalent theme that they use. Okay, let me give you an example maybe. The thing is that in one class they sometimes add multiple classes. I think this class was a good example maybe. Is it? Or maybe not. Let's check which one. This one maybe. Not quite I think. For auto assignment? Shit. To be honest, I don't remember. After so many classes done, I already kinda lost partially. Gotta admit that. But it was in the entity. Shit, I don't remember. The thing is, multiple classes in one class or interfaces, then you need to isolate them and fix them. No, I see your message. That was Xar. I see that you wrote, "Yo, invited me on mail still on Twitch." Yeah, I did see your message. It's not moderated. Initially, anyone who's here to chat on Twitch, you need to subscribe or wait 10 minutes and have verified profiles. Otherwise, you can't spam here. Yes, YouTube might be exception, I believe. So nothing special. But I think on YouTube is running on a restream, so maybe there's a delay. I believe that could be true. So my suggestion is to come to the Twitch if possible. Well, suit yourself. Ah, yeah, links are blocked completely. All links, any link. If you add any link, it will be instantly filtered out. Most likely, it's on hold. I would see somewhere in withholded messages. Haven't really wrapped my head around that. Mm. And just yeah, it's most likely you just got under automatic bot. Nothing special. Most likely I will find it somewhere in stream settings. A shitload of sections in Twitch. Gotta admit that to deal with. And same similar settings. I think some settings there was also on YouTube. So it's rather interesting. But if you wish to pinpoint me, you can just write section name or something like that, and we can explore that at some time. So feel free if you want to help out. Also, we have a small chat for the community. Those who are interested, mainly we can leave also Discord, but Discord is not fully finished. I haven't set up hooks yet, but it's alive and it's not an ideal shape, but general chat existing. Those who are want to join it can. Maybe I can share link for you all. Those who want might join it. Give me a moment. Where it is? Mm, Okay, Discord. Here it is. Okay, it should work. You should be able to join it. I think. I think you should be. Shit. I think it's. Wait a minute. I had. It's formatted it. Let me send it one more time. Whoa! Sorry. That was not intended message. My bad. I mean it. Templates and shit. Watch. Sorry. Okay. That didn't come out the right way. Okay, this link should be the right one. Let me try again. Sorry. I screwed up. I mean it. Okay, here. Here's the proper link. The last message in chat is correct one. I can try. Can I hide these messages? That's Restream. Can Restream allow me to kill these messages, old ones? Yeah, template message. No, yeah, works finally. So great. Yeah, it's good. So it should be good. That's good. No, I just have so many links and stuff. To do it alone, it's complicated. You have to build things. See, but it blocks me most of the bots. Uh, no, I have implemented here for now um, stream elements. I have multiple bots for now inside in chat and also on Twitch. Technically, two bots, more or less, they kind of work. Not ideal, I gotta admit. The YouTube settings I think is set by default on stream as most strictest, so it most likely it's withhold. It assumed that you were spamming there, maybe. So be aware of that. I might most likely unfilter it. Yeah, yeah, you could be right. Can't argue about that. I don't know that much about stream elements yet. Yeah, yeah, it's nice tool to have. At least it makes stream manageable. I gotta give you that. So yeah, okay. Let's go back. Those who wanted more be joined Discord, if there were any at all. I don't enforce. Everybody has a free choice. Okay, let's resume. Okay, the recap was, let's resume where we were. We were talking about multiple class in one file. Okay, so thing is this. Let's find some. For example, I think base. I think C application would be a better example. Let's check structure of it. You see, okay, this is one C application. It has one. No, that's shitty example. Is there a sample? When you need it, you can't find it. Shitty luck. CC component maybe. Yeah, you see, for example, CC component, C event, C enable. PHP, yeah, in Latvia it's rather popular. And pay in my side in Europe, yeah, in Baltics. It's more or less. But I write Python. I write. Technically, I write fucking shitload of languages. But mainly, I work now with PHP. If you check my GitHub, I work with Python, TypeScript, JavaScript, Solum, and so on and so on. The list is fucking insane. But yeah, it's more or less popular, but it's now shifted to the mainly more to the Python, but it's between Python, PHP, TypeScript, Node, general JavaScript means more or less the same shit, I guess. I think it doesn't matter where you live now. The trend is shifted and it's mainly in these. PHP is more adapted in Europe because of ease of use, I guess. Good frameworks, easy to work. Why you need complicated language when you can just take a good framework with shitload of things ready and just drop it in and you're good to go. So this is why Laravel, for example, would be go-to solution for many. Same is for Yii and so on. Yeah, no, actually in Poland it's not that so bad. On LinkedIn, I recently was looking up for the job offers. There's a lot of remote offers for the Poland. It's actually interesting. There's a PHP, Python, and something else I noticed recently. But I don't remember what it was. Ah, Node, I think. Node, yeah. So general JavaScript, if we talk about it generally. But yeah, Europe, I think it's mainly three languages. And of course, all classical symphony and so on and so on. Nothing special, I guess. If you know the core languages, I think frameworks are just a matter of weeks till you adopt. For example, in corporate, I'm stuck on Yii-1. I would not say it's great, but it's not bad. Technically, you live with core language. It enforces you to work on higher level, less abstraction. So it means you know more and you're more capable. So for example, like when stream, you can see in bottom here is skilled and stuff appearing. I'm using I'm player. I have written Python code with IE and myself with adjustments. I have I create write in text files the songs and then it reads it from site and then I write to the text content input. Some interesting stuff. It's all on GitHub. If you wanna, you can have a peek. I can give you a link. Why not? Why not? Fine. Let's share. Because in that crowd I run. the script. For example, I just had multiple players and migrated. For example, this one I'm playing now, for example, that I use currently. That's my custom stuff for the stream. It's a plugin also written for in Python for OBS and also in parallel state detector in Python. But I compiled it with cross-platform compiler in Exe. Easier. I'm just lazy. Let's admit it. The compiled version is nice. 72 megabytes from um, 6 kilobytes. Now that's shitload of size difference, I guess. So yeah, that's the general gist. So I've been using this. In the past I used Winamp on streams, but the issue it was crashing due to, as we know, Winamp is outdated heavily and it's not supported well. But it had its time. Gotta give it that. It's a hard time for me to move from away from it. But I got adjusted to AIM. Seems good now. Multi.js, yeah, you can do with JavaScript also. You see the minus with JS, it's single threaded. It's slower. In Python, you can write it at least more or less async. Maybe I could write it maybe in Java. Maybe I could write it also C++, maybe, or Go, or Rust. Technically, I could. Technically, I've been learning all these other languages because I've been dabbling in them for a little bit, here and there a bit, for fun. Hey, life gets stale, I guess, after a while. No, just it's nice to have tools. Um, Depends on version. I've been using latest Python version. I would not say it's inferior to PHP a lot. It's very close. I gotta give it that. And with frameworks, it's close. It's not bad. That's my personal take. Of course, we will have everybody our own opinions. I respect that. Hey, we work with things that we like. So everybody uses what they like and they know better. That's the usage. Also, if you're interested about my environment setup, how it's set up, I have custom Laradoc fork. You can see that I have SSH. I will search it, for example, Laradoc that I have. I maintain it. I have all PHP versions and shitload of things in there. You can pick, use it if you like it. So, because I can switch to any version. That's the idea why I use it. But we are using SSH and we through SSH upload files. It's from local to the Docker that is inside VSL. I'm not using Docker desktop because it's fucking slow as that. I don't like that. I don't want to live fully on Linux anymore. In the past I did, but they bloated Windows pretty much with VSL too, same shit, and Docker inside. So yeah, that's a good solution. When you have life beyond everything else, you learn to value your time. In the past, I watched Primeagen and so on, but I don't believe that you learn. Yeah, you can use terminal level editors. I can write code in Notepad++, but I will be slower. I gotta give you that. It's easier to use some tools that you're used to. That's my opinion, of course. Your opinion might be, maybe can be different. You will disagree with me, but okay. Hey, we can disagree on this one. Doesn't mean you're wrong, or neither do I am wrong. You have developed your own workflow, you have adapted it, and you live with it. So it means you're efficient with it. So it's different for everyone else. For me, for example, to migrate to some Vim or something else, it would be fucking pain in the ass. I just got used to JetBrains. I added a shitload of plugins and stuff to make it easier for me because it's just convenient. So yeah. How's the music? How's the mood? Don't feel discouraged. We can talk always. In parallel, we'll work slowly. and we will adjust things. Okay, we need format this thing better and finish this class off. We've been slightly stuck. Let's slowly move forward. Make things more beautiful, readable like this. Baby. Music, yeah. And back it out. Do you hear it? There should be music. There's nothing playing. Okay. You're on nothing. Let me check one more thing. Maybe it's not set up. Let me check. Let me check. Give me a moment. Okay. It should be outputting music. It really should, but it's not. Okay, let me check. I will come in from phone. I will check it. Give me a moment. It's odd that there's no music and stuff. There should be in background music actually. Maybe something is not set up properly. No, that can't be right. It's very odd. Give me a moment. Yeah, I think I know what it is. Mic is working, but music is not. And I see on phone. Sorry, might you hear my background? So, shoot. Okay. So, music appeared? Okay. So it works. Okay, so the problem was in settings. You see, in advanced properties, you have channels for the tracks. But shit, if I have fucking tracks, it means. Okay, give me a moment, let me check one more thing. I will remove 6 track because otherwise I will have copyright shit. Works? And it's gone, yes? It doesn't sound now, yeah? But it works. No, it works. No, it works. Okay, so channel 6 should be disabled. Okay, good. Because channel 6, when it's disabled, it resolves the issue. Shit, my bad. Okay, now it's good, so we're back. Okay, disable networking shit on phone. I don't like distractions. Fuck, my bad. How so I fucked up? Well, I copied from internal constellation profile. Maybe something went wrong when I was migrating it. Two different channels. This code, this is Yii-1 legacy framework mostly, but we are adapting it to PSR-4 first. For now, there's very little of my code. I'm just adjusting formatting and doing the shit everywhere when you need. So, this should be better. The idea is to make it work with Composer, the grand scheme of ideas. Because technically now we are loading it in Composer. You can see here autoload through PCR under E under source. So that's the idea. We are migrating Yi that was initially was not intended for such purposes, but many corporate companies and so on using it. Idea is to maybe try to sell it. Hey, maybe. Because official version is dying off, but corporate companies most likely will not migrate anytime soon. Even more corporate, they plan to migrate to Yii-3 from Yii-1. Good luck with that. It's just easier RMRF, delete all and start over. That's my suggestion. But yeah, I don't take it personal, yes. So for now, we're just adding what we're doing. We're adding namespaces here. You can see we prepare PSR-12, we declare strict types, we add every parts that are namespace now. And sometimes we fix some small legacy namings. For example, in many places there is legacy namings like these. In previous PHP versions there was underline used. But that was prior version 5, something like that. It's ancient shit. Now it's not used anymore. So we're fixing that along the way. If we look here, yeah, SonarQube is yelling, or SolarLint. It's a nice tool. I advise everyone to use. So later we will target PHP Stan here to the level 9 max. I don't give a fuck. I want to go hard. Usually every project that I do in open source and so on, it's strict type and I don't give a shit whatever people think. I believe PHP at this point is almost close to the C++ level. It's very similar in style and approach of ID if you compare it. The language so much evolved. It's nice. I wonder what will happen when PHP 9 comes out and we're just PHP 8. Jesus. There are some similarities. I would not say it's one on one, but there are some. Some. Do you agree? Disagree? Well, some interfaces, some small things. I would not say all concepts, but some of concepts are similar. Yeah. Well, reserved language and so on stuff. Yeah. But similar in JavaScript. Functions. Yeah, maybe. It could be true. I haven't worked a lot with C. I more worked with C, C sharp, some Java, bit Rust, a little bit with Go, and some more with Python. So yeah, I'm not sure about C fully, but about C++ a bit no more. Gotta give that. If I don't know, then I will admit it. If you work there, then you most likely know more than me. You can't know everything, I guess. And if you know everything, good for you. It means at that point you're different ways. Okay. Yeah, similar. All those comes from C, but same, yeah. But they are allies. C, yeah, it could be. Yeah, it could be. It could be because JavaScript also has similar methods, but they are named and they are also in C if memory don't fail me. But yeah, languages evolve as we know. They based all on top of something. Exceptions exist. Exceptions exist. But in the end, they all translate to machine language. So assembly, generally speaking. I believe some future maybe we will see some. Technically, HHMM wasn't it directly to going translated to machine code? I don't really remember. I wanted to try it, but it seems it's not supported anymore. It's that thing. Sad times. Anyway, it's not like I'm gonna cry about it. Just move on. Could be, could be. I'm not that experienced in C, so I can't go hold my arguments to that. You can learn more, but you can't know everything. So I will just can citation from Senjukkar. I just know so much as I know, and nothing more. So yeah, reasonable bounds. If people brag that they know all, it means they don't know shit. You should be concerned at that point, seeing that. Worrisome things. Okay, we're done with this thing. Let's reformat it one more time everywhere. So let's move on to next for filters. Mamma mia. Hey yo. It's not gonna be great, won't it? Well, it won't be nice. Why the fuck we have more classes? Controller. Fuck. I believe we need to really think. Some are from. You see, initially we started out project started out as superset package. The idea was initially to load in old framework, create a wrapper, and just work. But main problem that I came up was Yii-import. There's such thing as Yii-import. For now, I cut it down. In my version, it's dead. And mostly is avoided to use even and discouraged. I will cut out because it artificially was loading files and using imports. And the problem was then the auto load. And auto load, it was using how it was called the damn thing. Let me find it. Blah. Um, where it is? Uh, yeah, here. Yeah, it's disabled for me, but we need to find original. Let's find autoload. I think it was SPL. Yeah, it was SPL, I think. Because I disabled framework, but we can search in vendor in scope like this, and we should find it. Yeah, didn't like. Let's go in vendor. Yii base we need, and Yii framework base, this one. Let's find autoload. Then you will understand what I'm talking about. Where is SPL? There it is. You see? Register autoload. They had SPL autoload, registers autoload, and they had manual mappings and stuff with core classes and so on. They had in a complicated way things implemented, and you can't easily override them. Theoretically, you can import everything and override on top, but there are collisions because in some classes on top you will find there is Yii import used and so on, similar things. So at that point, one thing led to another one, and this is where we are. We're delved in the madness. Hey, it's at least fun one. It could be always worse. I'm not discouraged about it. Okay, let's go back. C out filter, C filter. Fuck gone. We just need those that we know and we'll vary out things that should be around here. Okay, C filter. Let's go. Yeah, let's copy the class. Okay, just placeholder with interface. Okay, format it. Let's see what we're doing now at least. We're just making migration for initial framework to run. We can theoretically do some purely technical version. Migrate it to PSR-4 and use it in project and then fix bugs. That is one way to do it. Other option is to write or rewrite or migrate old code for tests using IE or manually. I don't know. That's a good question how to do it. But we have always a choice how we can deal with it. I don't care about licenses. This is purely private project. It's not public. I think it was open license, so we can do things. Also, it's so old that I believe it's no one cares at this point. Wrong import. God damn it. Okay. Let's format the damn thing. Beauty. It's already better. I like that. Okay. Okay, not important. Okay, normal initialization. I like that. Okay, we have import missing. Okay, let's close other tabs. Let's declutter the view and let's adjust it. They wonder, is Rust actually written on C? I don't believe that. On what it is based. Also, Go. Those are the best, fastest ones that I encountered in languages. They are extremely efficient also. Makes to think. Also be thinking about making some game in the Rust, since its memory is safe. But is it worth it? That's a different kind of question. Some small indie title or something. In past, I did many game modes and so on, so more or less I know my thing around things. Okay, let's check files. Okay, filter chain. See inline filter, so catch filter is missing here. Yeah. So now, how's the music? Is it good? Solo. Yeah, nice. I have guitar. Been learning it. Lately haven't been a lot of time, but I should return to it. But I really like it. Late. I wish I had more time. Life do changes when you have children. People don't believe that until they encounter that. Yeah, I guess that's part of life. Anyway, we'll not get complacent and worried about that. We just will learn how to adapt all the hard things. The developer mindset is this: there's multiple problems, it means there's multiple solutions. That's what I believe. What you deserve. So it means also in starting, nobody heard the ham of videos. Oh boy, I'm sad. Okay, I'll do better. Now in parallel, before stream starts, I will run at least phone or something just to check it. Okay, let's copy this one and let's readjust it. Interesting. Let's check their license. It's 2013. Huh. So I can fucking claim this thing. Let's check the license. They say I can check it. What's license is? It's under BSD. Mm-hmm. Okay, let's switch. I will switch to the other browser. I have. Okay. Yeah, that's Abacus. I have that. IE. Okay, there's a license. So technically, can modify, can redistribute. Ground. The same freedom as original license. Acknowledge the author from the linking back to the original articles. So they have got PFDL. That's something interesting. No. Oh shit. No license. That's old one. I will just drop that and I'm not about to read this shit, believe me. That's a little too much for me today. Gotta, hmm, not just drop it in Abacus. GPT-4. I went through GPT-4. Okay, let's switch it. Let's check what it sells. Uh-huh. Some freedoms is original license copy of license others is mandatory. Okay, we can leave authors and composer or something. That's not a problem. Let's check what are. Let's check it out what it tells. Mm-hmm. Hmm. Yeah, I don't have obligations. Yeah, this is why it will be called Yii1-Modern. It will be a different framework named. I am migrating it to PSR-4. I wonder, is that compliant? Hmm. So yeah, I can, I can fucking do it. Okay, maybe it's enough to cover requirements. Shit, I can't write. My bad. Let's check like this, but Yeah, it does not expire. Ooh, fudge. 70 years. Oh, but it's 95 to 100. Holy shit. So yeah, I will need to add a later copyleft. Well, for now, for testing, before release, for the sale and everything else, we can live without it. But you can't leave my house, generally speaking. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, I can't do that. Yeah, and pictures. You see, also when I'm also adding in TikToks and so on, I don't have copylefts. Technically, I'm still compliant in theory because nobody is using the code. I'm privately consuming it. I'm not redistributing the damn thing. It applies only at the moment it's redistributed and somebody is using it. Yeah, Da Vinci could be. Not just John Da Vinci. What else it was? Leonardo AI. What else? Runaway ML and so on. That shit also. I was dabbling in AI too. Initially, this project was based from AI concept, but things didn't go the way I thought. So, okay. So we'll need a license, adding composer. Yet, fine. That's additional work. Ah, I will need to create a do, won't I? God damn it. They make my life not so nice. Maybe we can add some plugin with tool. Hmm. Okay. Let's do all this. Okay. Create me a to-do list for readme MD. I think that will be more fair enough. Yeah, let's do like this. Technically, you could switch also to the um Claude. Claude is fucking superior than GPT-4o in many cases. Okay. This is not nice, but okay. Summary checklist. There it is. That's what. How did your code base almost components and license provide constant source code for include license tags and proper attributions? Notice copy files when mixing license. Handle IGPL network copy obligations. Uh, sounds like pain. Fine. We will do. Okay, not a problem. Let's regenerate. We can do just like this, remove space and regenerate the damn thing. Should give us good enough prompt. I think Cloud should deal it with it. Abacus is decent. Those who likes you can try out. I think it's €10 for 2 months. a banger deal, I would say, to try out. And then also you have all IEs in here. Of course, there are some limitations, but they are far more better. Okay, so it's thinking. Oh, it's thinking. Thinking? Come on, give me something. It hanged or what the hell? Okay, you didn't like my idea. Okay, tech failed us. Yeah, in text format. We can use that, and that should be enough for us. So I can create readme for now. File, read. Yeah, there it is. It goes. Baby does it. How already readme? Shit. How some readme? Yeah, that's the original readme that I had. Uh, we can just nuke the damn thing. We can do it better. We just create a license, no, to do, and like this. There it is. Compliant checklist. Nice. Okay, let's copy it and drop it in. Okay, we got our baby. We need in lowercase, yes? Okay. Ah, shit. Caps lock. Oh, fuck. Sorry, my language. Not good. Okay, now that's good. Source and paste it. How it looks. Let's render it. Okay, that's for future compliance. We will deal with it. At least it's good enough. Yeah, not bad. Okay, we can go back to the editor and resume our party time. Okay, we finished with that class. We added compliance for the license, so it means copyleft should include. Fuck. Now I wonder when I had those, and there's the music. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Well, these day, these day and age, you can't fucking know what's real, what's fake anymore. Shitload of content is generated with IE. Shitload. Even I use IE to readjust some things in my descriptions, messages for live streams, and so on. Because it's convenient and it's easy to create a good boilerplate for something. Even for some coding, you can create shitload boilerplate code and generate just out of the gecko. Saves time. Many would disagree. Until they work alone and do shitload of things, and they will realize how life can be miserable one day. Yeah, I missed Control Alt. Ah, yes. I'll remember that. I'll try and improve. I'm not perfect, gotta admit that. Okay, let's move forward. Form, yes, C form. Very popular thing in G framework, but I still fucking dislike the damn thing. Personal gripe. To be honest, I'm Laravel guy more like. I've been specializing in the damn thing. I've been using it since 402. Yeah, but before that, I mainly used pure PHP and stuff. Like we start from something and go from there on. Okay, let's format that class and fix anything and everything. Eee, not good, brother. Brother E. Okay, the youngest one is coming. He finished gaming on the phone. Phone is discharged. Means he can go watch some cartoons a bit. 2000 alien. Yo, fuck, what the fuck? I clicked insert. That was not wise of me. Not wise. Uh-huh. Overlap. And what the hell is using it? Yeah, we'll just call it base active. If we have collisions, we will rename it. For now, let's not fight with framework. That's not our intention. What the hell? We should do that. Damn, man, I thought I can get away with that copyleft shit. Technically, you can get away. Until, in big corporate companies now, they use AI, they scan source code, and they check licenses. And shit, are they compliant? That's a thing, actually, by the way. Also, just a moment, child is asking. Okay, child was asking to have portable to watch the cartoons. One down, second one is playing, the eldest one. So yeah, boys. Boys are boys. Allow them to stay up till 9 o'clock. Usually they go to sleep at 8:30, like now. But today we will have exception. Wife is out of house. So why not? I will be lenient. Otherwise they will go nuts again. And they will literally will be annoying in some capacity. Well, they used that. In the evenings they have some stories read or turned on to for listening or audiobooks or something like that. So yeah, it depends how they prefer. They usually have a choice. And when they don't have it, they just go nuts, literally. They try to break beds and so on. Yeah. If you have a children, then you will know how it's nice. Ah shit, this thing is not important collection. And where the fuck it lives. Of course, of course. I thought so. Okay, so we can't do this thing. Mm-hmm. So it's a master? Save form. No, it's one of many classes that I don't have. Yeah, I don't have it. Yeah. I'm not lucky, ain't I? But okay, let's copy it and fix it. Okay, all six of them is present. Let's fix it. Hmm. Technically, maybe I can get rid of this, but I can't get rid of this. We'll figure it out. I will need to check IE for this. Compliance is hard thing. I gotta give you that. Damn. Well, I guess life is never easy. It's easy when we're not there, and so on. Okay, let's fix it up then. I don't like this mess. But like, do I have a goddamn choice? Okay, let's fix it. Okay, like that. Legacy naming. Okay. Log blocks and stuff. Hmm. We're getting stuck slightly, but we're moving forward. Yeah, step forward and few back. What the hell I expected? There it is, import. Hmm. Brutal. To do fix. Because technically that's not import. It's technically a new class. Okay, let's just leave here to do. PSR-4. Yeah, because it will break. When it goes in fallback, you can see here we are adding check form. If it's not form something else in add, it goes in import. In import for us, it's deprecated fully because it's disabled in many parts, so it will crash. Some tough thing to deal with. So yeah, okay. Yeah, let's move forward. Looks better. A lot better. I don't like this dog block. Yeah, we can remove that. I believe that should be compliant. Maybe. I don't know. Okay, let's find it there. Mm-hmm. So it will automatically inject it. Good enough by me. Hmm. We're fixing one we broke, other one slightly. Oh, that was expected, I guess. Okay, let's go to the end and then we will go backwards back. And we will fix it. One at a time, one at a time. The stream is a little bit going longer than usually. We're in 2 hour mark. That's rare. Usually within an hour, but why not? Why not? It's going well. And it's interesting. Not ideal. Hmm. Okay. Okay, that's better. Okay, we're out of music. No, that can't be right. No way, we're out of music. All right. We will adjust that. Mm-hmm. This should be good. Your album. I have my local library. I don't like streaming. I prefer to be sole owner of my stuff. Nobody can take it away from me. I suggest everyone else same thing. Own your shit. When somebody just comes in, takes away your damn thing. Okay. Something missed. Okay. It was decent already. Mm-hmm. See form collection. Another class. But it's not correct. That's correct. But import is wrong. The hell? An active form is also. God damn it. Yes. Okay. Okay, so it's able to see it now. An active form. Very good. Fudge. Will this ever run? Fine, let's fix it. Mm. Let's, by the way, I will paste it and let's check active form. Does we have it somewhere else? No, it's only Sol. Well, that means we need. Oh, it's added namespace. That's not bad. But all imports are a complete mess. Let's remove them. Hmm. Uh-huh. Let's kill this block for now. It's not nice, but bothering me. No, of course, CVGit is also not added. It's like a web, spider webs. Hmm. What we can do, we can copy all classes here in forms and leave some imports for later to fix. But we need to add a note, not forget about this shit. Yeah, I guess it was not wise to go here. Hmm. Oh, fudge. It's huge. Oh, it's them purifier. Maybe we can migrate some newer version. Good question. Good question. Okay. But if we migrate active form, okay, then it will be seaweed get. Let's check structure. One class, one class. Then seaweed get will be needed to migrate. Seaweed get require base control. Okay. There's some reference or maybe something. No, this might even work. Widget actually that is renderer. It could be. Later I have in plans to create some experiments to override framework and add possibilities to implement Laravel Blade renderer or maybe also something else very popular. If memory don't fail me, it was used in Symfony. Who knows how it was called? Maybe you know. It's also not bad naming. Starts with T letter. Okay. Brrr, I don't want to do it, but I have to do it. Fine. Okay, see active form. We have active form, but we need widget now. Yeah, not great. We don't need explanation for now. See widget, factories and shit. Um, those could be bad migrations and stuff, but we don't care about them for now. Time being. Let's add the class strict types for now. Let's format it. Yeah, we will add now proper imports. Since it's imported, shitty parts, but okay, that's better. View parts. Let's render. Legacy naming. Let's fix those all. Counter. Interesting. Some are interesting concepts behind here. I might learn something new even. Hmm. Okay. How's the mood? How's the music? How's your day been? How you're feeling? You have to share? I'll gladly talk with you. Might seem that I bite, but I might not. I might sound cranky and so on. Just slightly tired. That's all. Been doing too many things. So little time. Beautiful song. I wish I had a chance to go to the concert to them. But sad I don't travel to our side in Europe often. That's how it is. Okay, we finished with this more or less. Okay, that's decent. See, we can now import that thing because we have see widget now, and it should more or less be a fine. It's not formatted. Okay, let's format it. Let's close other things. It's kind of base sequence. Okay, let's fix slash t. It is beauty. Manual replacement for tops to the spaces. One, two, three, four. Replace. And it should be gone. Beautiful. Mwah. Magic of regex and replacement. Simple yet powerful. Yeah, that is fairly decent. Okay, they have jQuery stuff. We won't touch that. That is not our goal at all. Okay, JavaScript script. Okay, it's migrated. Hmm. Nice dog block. But I don't believe anyone reads that. So they have form error direct render. But there is also errors, if I recall correctly. Hmm. Interesting. Okay, let's format this thing and move on. Active record database. Yeah, yesterday. No, before yesterday, we worked with database. Okay, let's import missing parts. Yeah, we are committed to the call. Yeah, I agree to that. I'm definitely committed to this damn thing. Whatever it takes, whatever it takes. We're gonna do it. We're gonna make this thing work. Okay, formatted. Decent. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's good. Not bad, not bad. Insane amount of work. We just barely started. Oh my, day 6. I wonder how many weeks it will take to finish it. First, it depends on pace, I guess. Maybe it's fast to migrate, but it's hard to make it stable and working. I might believe that. Who is your silent viewer who doesn't talk, just observes things? Here to share. Sharing is caring. What do you think? Okay, let's move here. Yeah, mixed up. Home part is done. Almost. Some of them are done, some of them not. Okay, same phone button. Let's wrap up with fun stuff for today. And I think we will finish the stream, maybe. I will need to put children to sleep. Maybe I can take a break, return back, maybe stream a bit more. But depends, will anyone will be willing to wait? That's a different kind of question. Okay, let's patch this thing up. Yeah, let's name it. Legacy namings. Render. Yeah, they have many renders. It's actually interesting how many renders I've seen in code. Shit, nested. That's not good. Yeah, ternaries. But they are hard to read and even harder to understand. What is the intention behind here? For example, if you see it like this, can you understand what it does? Okay, on first scan of eyes, you see we check submit. Okay, it's submit. But on else, you go enter multiple ifs. I would just write normal ifs here, I would say. This is not easy to read. And Sonar Cube is yelling, don't do that, that's bad. I believe, I believe. Bad practices can be done. Should you do it? If possible, no. If possible, no, for your own good. Because later you will regret that you didn't do it the right way from the start. That's how usually it's happened. In the beginning we're happy and dandy until you need to clean up that shit. Hmm. Okay. Visible? It's important. Missing parts and shit. Make this thing more or less decent. Yeah, that's abstract render. Has interface. Yeah, render begin, render body, render end. I see. Interesting. Template engine, most likely, that is. Hmm, like this. That's more readable. Hmm. Hmm. Require config. Many issues with PSR-4 actually. Hmm. I wonder how many to-dos I have added. Oh boy. Oh man. Seems I will regret that later. Like always. Oh shit, the hell. Heavy class. Let's format it. Okay. Okay, some legacy stuffs, of course. Without them, we would not be alive. Beautiful. Okay, like that. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Let's clean. Mm-hmm. Sessions. Yeah, all get clean sessions render. I get it. Mm-hmm. Otherwise, there will be errors. Okay, let's copy the class, format it, let's readjust it, and fix it up. Mm-hmm. Okay, looks good. One more time, format, Control Alt R, edit files. I'm learning gradually. Yeah, this one was also added. I think we can commit. I have filtering in stream with synced, so you might not see the commit message, but it's nothing special. I cannot comment added migrated actions, comma, out, filters, form. Cat is doing shit. You evil little pussy. Of course she loves to eat charging cables. I read that it's related to Pika. It's called condition specific liking to the plastics for the cats. Interesting thing. Didn't know before. And resume order with web. Okay, I will commit it. It's formatting and doing shit. Okay, we'll see now. There it is. There's the commit. Commit is like this. But what we migrated, another to do, resume further with web. Well, we did a lot today, and we will be fine, I think. The idea is to take now break for at least 10 to 15 minutes and then return maybe to stream a bit more, or we can finish the stream. There's a choice. I don't know how would you prefer people to do things around here. So, do we continue streaming or not? We need to decide. What do you think? Okay, maybe. Okay, let's do like that. Maybe let's finish stream for today. Maybe tomorrow let's do a short stream, and then maybe we can think about longer streams. We'll see. Or maybe we can do some open source. work shit. And move away from closed source stuff. We'll see, we'll see. We think about that. So okay, let's do like this. For now, for today, we will finish the stream. Tomorrow, I will do a short stream. It's more time frame, more or less. And we will see you around. Okay, let's roll the intro for now. And see you around. Bye for now.